Peace and blessings, everybody. My name is Abdul Shabazz, also known as the Mobile Home Closer. I teach entrepreneurs all over the country how to buy, fix, and flip mobile homes. Today, y'all, I'm going to be teaching you how to build wealth investing in mobile homes. Now, this work, even if you're a 9-to-5 worker, you make less than $50,000, you're a full-time mom, right? It does not matter. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get into this untapped market, which is called mobile home investing. You heard of single family, you heard of commercial buildings, but a lot of people have not heard about mobile homes. Now, this class is for those people who are ready. This class is for those people who are serious and not curious. If you are looking for a coach that can help you get from where you are to where you want to be at in mobile home investing, I am your favorite mobile home investing coach. So family, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, what I want to do is I want to give y'all the good word, right? What is that good word? Information without implementation leads to procrastination. And my mentor, he once said, he said, procrastination leads to assassination towards your destination. So family, the information I'm going to be giving you today, I want you to 100% implement on that information. And don't sit back and procrastinate, because if you procrastinate, family, or you that person, then this class right here that I'm giving you, it's not for you. I'm looking for that person that is ready. So what is mobile home investing, y'all? Mobile home investing is the untapped and overlooked side of real estate. You may know a lot of real estate investors, but you probably don't know any mobile home investors, right? And if you do, it's only one or two. So now, mobile homes, I always tell my students, mobile homes are the gateway to real estate. So you don't need a lot of money to get started. On average, I spend about $8,000 per mobile home deal that I get, and it's just all throughout the country, y'all. So let's go over some of the facts and myths about mobile homes. So people think whenever they invest in mobile homes, they invest in tin cans that look like this. That's false, right? This is the up-to-date modern style mobile homes. Yes, these mobile homes right here are over 2,500 square feet. Look how beautiful they are on the inside, y'all. Look better than some single family homes, right? This is another mobile home, right? Look at the inside. Man, you can't beat this with a hammer, family, right? Look at the inside of this mobile home right here, y'all. So now, ways to invest with minimum funds. Let's just say if you have less than $1,000 and you want to invest in mobile homes, one way that you can invest is through wholesaler. Now, I don't recommend you try to get a coach and then try to invest in mobile homes with less than 1,000. Nah. Make sure you come to the table with at least $10,000. But if you have minimum funds, you can wholesale, you can joint venture with somebody else. You may come with the capital, right? And they may come with the experience. Or it may be on the flip side. You may not have the capital, but you may have the experience. Now you can joint venture with somebody. And then last but not least, you can always leverage your credit cards to be able to buy the mobile homes. Now, let's look at some of these ways that we invest in mobile homes. You have rentals, Airbnb, fix and flip, wholesaling, land renting, travel nurse, gator lending, extended stay, owner finance, custom built homes. These are just a few ways on how you can actually make money in the mobile home space. Now, how can I find deals? Google. One thing I want you to do right now is try to make me out to be a liar. Say, you know what? I'm going to try to prove that this guy Abdul is a liar. You will not be able to do that. I want you to simply go to Google and type in mobile home parks near me. What's going to happen is a list of mobile home parks is going to pop up. And these may be communities that you probably never heard of or seen before in your life. You know why? Because they ducked off behind a store, right? And you were like, wow, I didn't know a mobile home community was back there. That's what I want you to do. But now I'm going to challenge you. What is the challenge? The challenge is I want you to visit 3 of those mobile home communities, and I want you to see if you can actually find distressed mobile homes, right? Mobile homes that look like this, single wides, double wides, maybe boarded up, high grass. But you'll be able to tell if somebody's occupying that unit. And then if I see that somebody's not occupying that unit, oh man, I'm writing down that number, the lot number, and I'm gonna take it to the park manager, ask them what are they doing with that mobile home. One thing I want you to understand is this: the parks, they care about the land, not the home. Let me say that again. They care about the land, not the home. So they want to collect land rent or lot rent every single month. So if you come in You buy the property, right? You put somebody in that property. Let's just say lot rent is $400, but that person is giving you $1,000. That's $600 a month you're getting from that mobile home. Let's move on. I hope y'all picking up what I'm putting down. Now, when you go inside these communities, you're going to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5-star park community. Now, the 1-star park community, I tell all of my students, stay far away from. I'm going to say that again. Stay far away from. Why? Because poor management, the people in the community, right? They're not going to be the most friendliest, right? Because of the environment. I always tell people your environment can literally shape you into something that you may not be, right? But it's your environment that's shaping you into something negative. That's how these 1-star park communities are. It's low quality, low grade, everything. They just don't care about the community. But when you go to a 5-star community, as you can see, man, the mobile home community laid out. They really put emphasis in community. They want to make sure they have amenities, basketball court, swimming pool, dog park, gym, laundromat. You can get all of this in a 5-star park community. So I tell my students, stay in 3, 4, and 5-star park communities. That's where you're going to make the most bang for your buck at. Now, how much money do you need to purchase mobile homes? You don't need a lot of money. Like I told you, on average, I spend $8,000 on per mobile home deal that I do. $8,000. You can't beat that with a hammer, right? So now I want y'all to look at this. You see $1, 552,000, $6,800, right? Now, these are all prices that I paid for a mobile home. Yes, y'all, I paid $1 for a mobile home. I actually got a mobile home for absolutely free. But yes, I paid $1 for a mobile home, 550, 2,000, 1,000, 6,000, 800. Now let's go and look at these mobile homes. I recently picked up this mobile home right here for $3,500. Now let's go and look at the inside of this mobile home. Because some of y'all may be thinking, oh, well, Abdul, well, if you pick up the mobile home for $3,500, it have to be destroyed on the inside. Well, this is the inside of this mobile home that I just picked up, right? That's actually one of my students. We did a deal together inside that same mobile home community. Now, this mobile home right here is undergoing renovations as we speak, man. And the funny thing about it is this mobile home, literally, they put some type of tree stump. Man, look, I don't know what it was. All I know, it had to go, family. That was the funny thing about this mobile home. I thought it was growing through the ground, but it actually wasn't. That was some type of design, whatever the case is, but that had to go. So I just want to show y'all the inside of a home that we purchased that was $3,500. It's not destroyed. It's not bad looking. This will be an easy renovation, an easy flip at the end of the day. I just want to give y'all this quick visual, right? So I got this mobile home for $2,000. I got this mobile home for $1,200. I got this mobile home, yes, y'all, for free. And I teach that strategy as well. Got this mobile home for $550, $3,500, $2,300, $6,000, $2,000, $800, $6,200. Man, come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Y'all have that sitting inside your bank account right now. Do you know how much money the bank is giving you on that money that you have sitting in your account? 0.05%. So some of y'all at the end of the year, you're only making 50 cents, $1 off the money that you have inside your account. Why not invest that money, right? Well, first thing you have to do is you have to invest in yourself. A lot of people want to put things on their head, but they don't want to put nothing in their head. Don't be that person. Moving on. So which exit strategy interests you, right? Is it a fix and flip? Is it quick and flips, right? Is it on finance? Is it rentals? Is it bank finance? Which one interests you? Well, this was a before and after. One thing about me, my father taught me this game when I was 15 years old. Yes, 15. I'm 30 now. I just turned 30. But he taught me this game when I was 15, right? And this was a home I did all by myself, right? With my own bare hands. This was a fix and flip project that I did. This project right here, we didn't do anything, right? And I said, you know what? Let me just try, not doing anything. Man, I got this project for $6,000, sold it for $12,000. And guess what, y'all? I did it less than 72 hours. Less than 72 hours, right? So now let's jump into this. How to eliminate your monthly expenses. This is where you get at. I want y'all to think about it really quick before I go to the next slide. What is your biggest household expense? Think about it. Now let's dive into it. Your biggest household expense, family, is going to be your mortgage or your rent. What if I help you by showing you this, be able to eliminate your biggest expense in your household, which is your mortgage? Let's look at it. How do we do it, y'all? This is the mindset that I have. If my car payment is $350, how many mobile homes do I need? Right? On average, the mobile homes bring us in $500 on average. On average. So I asked myself, how many mobile homes do I need to take care of my car payment? Well, let's say your car payment is $400. That's one mobile home to take care of your car. And you still have an extra $100 to go. They're left over, right? Well, that $100 left over can actually pay for your cell phone bill. Well, let's just say you have a family plan and your bill is $250. Well, one mobile home can actually pay for that. Now you have an additional $350, $100 left over from your car, and guess what? $250 left over from your cell phone bill. But now I want you to ask yourself this. Well, what's my mortgage? My mortgage is $2,000. Well, okay, 5 times 4, that means that I need 4 mobile homes to take care, and that's my mortgage? It's done? See, you got to let your assets take care of your liabilities and your expenses, man. That's how you get out the rat race. When your passive income is more than your total expenses. I hope y'all picking up what I'm putting down right now. So this is the goal. This is the vision. Even if you don't have all of your mobile homes in one area, you have like a small little community. Let's just say you have your mobile homes in different mobile home communities. It's still solving the same thing. But this is the vision, y'all. I want y'all to really start envisioning this right now. You need to be grabbing your husband, you need to be grabbing your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whoever, and say, yo, look, this is what we need to do. You want to get into the real estate space already, you just don't know how, but I'm showing you this. You looking for a coach, you don't have to look no further. I'm right here. This is what we're doing on a regular basis. We eat, sleep, and breathe mobile homes. So I want y'all to write this down. Remember I told y'all, I got to start with a good word and I got to leave with a good word. Build your dream or someone would hire you to build theirs. Ooh, sweet Jesus. Build your dream or someone would hire you to build their dream. Think about it right now. The world that we live in, we're literally living inside someone else's mind. You said, dude, what did that mean? You got to remember that stop sign was inside someone's mind, right? Those street lights, that was inside somebody's mind. That building, somebody thought about these things and said, you know what? I have the courage to be able to think on it, then bring it into fruition. Why can't something outside of, right, outside of your own house, why can't you build something to where now people are marveling at your work instead of you marveling at everybody else's work? That's something I want you to think about. So last but not least, are you willing to bet on yourself? There's so many, I'm telling you right now, let me put it like this, y'all. So many people are able to take us off our square, right? And we helping everybody else, but the last person who gets the help is you. You betting on football games, basketball games, you boxing, you betting on everything else, but instead you're not betting on yourself. So today I want y'all to change that. I don't care where you at in this world watching this video. I want you to change this. Change that one aspect. I'm not going to be betting on nothing else. This day forward, I'm going to bet on myself, right? So before you go, I want you to, if you're serious, only if you are serious, y'all, I want you to book a strategy call with me. When you book the strategy call, of course, I want to help you. And also outside of that, I want you to become a mentee of mine. That will be a topic of discussion. I want you to be one of my greatest success stories. But if you're not ready to take that leap of faith and say, you know what? Nah, I really don't need a coach. I can do this by myself, right? Or whatever it is. You're just not ready, then don't book the strategy call. But if you're ready, you say, you know what? I'm ready to take that next step. I want you to book the call. We're going to have a strategy session. We're going to see where you at. And then after that, we're going to see how we can actually help you get to the next level. All right. But since you watched this video all the way to the end, I want you to text GIFT to 844-941-4353. I'm going to leave y'all with this. My mentor, he once said, if you don't jump, you will not fly. Some of us right now, we are afraid to jump. And that's the reason why we're not flying. It's as simple as that. Y'all take care. Y'all be blessed by the best. And guess what, family? I will see y'all on the strategy call. And I can't wait. I can't wait to build with y'all. Peace and blessings, everybody. I'm out.